Hi guys, I'm back. This is the in-center, and I just wanted to show you guys that in your tools that we have over here, there is a hide objects. So we can select objects, we can show or hide objects. That is the coolest thing. So we can go back to our in-center and hide our perpendicular lines that we made and hide them. They don't look very well hidden. But anyway, apparently we can hide them and then it'll be fine, or show them. There they go. They're hidden. Unbelievable. So I've got my pointer tool and I can move things around, and those perpendiculars are hidden, but I have them in the right places still because I made segments over them. So there's a nice little tip for you there. Have a wonderful time doing this project, and I'll be back with the orthocenter and the centroid.